Tanvi Gupta and you all are watching Such News Network. Here are the headlines for today. Center sets up 2 new vaccine testing facilities in Pune and in Hyderabad. To test 60 batches of vaccine per month, central government has ramped up the COVID vaccine development and manufacturing ecosystem by setting up additional laboratories to facilitate testing and pre-release certification of vaccines. In the wake of possible third wave coronavirus, which experts believe will reach its peak sometime in October this year, the central and state government has ramped up COVID vaccine development and manufacturing ecosystem in the country. Agitating farmers plan to protest outside Parliament every day during monsoon session. Farmers' organization protesting at Delhi's borders held a meeting earlier today discussing various events to take forward the protest during the monsoon session, which begins on July 19. The Samyukt Kisan Morcha on Sunday announced that a group of around 200 farmers will hold protests outside the Parliament every day during the monsoon session, demanding the repeal of centre's 3 farm laws. Sonu Sood says the biggest charity today is to give job. The actor's tweet comes at a time when the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has left a lot of people jobless since over a year now who are struggling to make the end meets. Bollywood actor and social worker Sonu Sood took a Twitter on Sunday to suggest that the biggest charity one can do in the present time is to give job to the others. Supreme Court seeks centre's response over filing cases under scrapped Section 66A of the IT Act. The Supreme Court on Monday expressed shock upon learning that over 1,000 cases had been filed under Section 66A of the IT Act, despite the fact that the law was struck down 7 years ago. The bench of justices were hearing a plea by an NGO, the People Union for Civil Liberties, seeking directions to the centre to advise all police stations against registering FIRs under this law. Pakistan Salman Butt lauds India's domestic structure, also praises Rahul Dravid, former Pakistan batsman. Salman Butt has opened up upon his thoughts on Indian cricket. He feels the reason for the India's tremendous success in their batting is based on their well-organized domestic structure. He was all praises about the amount of domestic cricket that is played in India. Jobs, better COVID management. Uttarakhand new CM Pushkar Singh Dhami lists priorities a day after being elected as the leader of the BJP legislature party. The 2-time legislator Pushkar Singh Dhami on Sunday took oath as the new chief minister of Uttarakhand.